नमस्कार कोंकणी शिकतल्यांका स्वागत. आजी आम्ही झाड आणि रूख हाजे बदल थोडे शब्द vocabulary शिकया. We will learn some words related to plant and tree. रवीन एक सान एप्पलाचे झाड रोविले. रवीन रवि एक one सान small एप्पलाचे apple झाड झाड is a plant sapling. रोइले रोचे is to plant. Ravi had planted one small apple sapling. रवीन एक सान एप्पलाचे झाड रोइले. रवी ताका दिवसा उदक घालत आशिलो. उदक water घालत आशिलो. He was watering the plant every day. रवी ताका दिवसा every day उदक water घालत आशिलो. Ravi was watering it every day. झाडाक नवीन पान आयली. पान is leaf, पन्न leaves. झाडाक नवीन new नवी or नवीन पन्न आयली. New leaves started growing on the plant. I repeat, झाड sapling, a plant. सान small. रोचे is to plant. उदक water. पन्न leaves. नवीन new. रवीन एक सान एप्पलाचे झाड रोइले. रवी ताका दिवसा उदक घालत आशिलो. झाडाक नवीन पान आयली. झाडाक एक दिवस सान कळे आयले. कळे buds. झाडाक एक दिवस one day सान small कळे आयले. One day small buds appeared on the plant. ते चंद आशिले. They were beautiful. ते चंद आशिले. पाचवे पानामध्ये कळे तांबडे दिसता आशिले. पाचवे green. पाचवे पान green leaf. मध्ये in the middle of. पाचवे पानामध्ये कळे तांबडे दिसता आशिले. The buds looked red in between the green leaves. I repeat, झाडाक एक दिवस सान कळे आयले. ते चंद आशिले. पाचवे पानामध्ये काळे तांबडे दिसत आशिले. The buds looked red in between the green leaves. पान leaf. पन्न leaves. कळे buds. कळे buds. पाचवे green. तांबडे red. एप्पलाचे फुल. Apple flowers. फूल singular. फुल plural. Apple apple plant. एप्पलाचे फुल apple flowers. कळे होड जावन फुल जल्ली. कळे buds. They bloomed into flowers. Buds grew big and bloomed into flowers. कळे होड जावन फुल जल्ली. फुल धवी बण्णाची. धवो is white. Dhavi, they were white. Flowers were of white color. फुल्लां धवी बण्णाची. पाकळी petal, पाकळी petal, फूल flower, फुल्लां plural flowers. एक म्होवा मूसू उड़त फुल्ला लागी आयलो. एक one म्होवा मूसू honey bee. म्होवा is honey, मूसू is fly or bee. म्होवा मूसू honey bee. उड़त flying, उड़चे is to fly. उड़त फुल्ला लागी आयलो. फुल्ला flowers, लागी near आयलो. One honey bee came flying near the flower. एक म्होवा मूसू उड़त फुल्ला लागी आयलो. ताणे फुल्लांतू म्होव आशिले पळयले. ताणे it he फुल्लांतू inside the flower. म्होव honey or nectar. म्होव आशिले पळयले. It saw that there was nectar in the flower. तो मूसू फुल्ला वैरी बसलो. The honey bee or bee sat on the flowers. तो मूसू फुल्ला वैरी बसलो. I repeat. एक म्होवा मूसू उड़त फुल्ला लागी आयलो. ताणे फुल्लांतू म्होव आशिले पळयले. तो मूसू फुल्ला वैरी बसलो. म्होवा मूसान केसर लायिले फुल्लांक सान मीडी जल्यो. म्होवा मूसान म्होवा मूसू honey bee, केसर pollen, केसर is a pollen. लायिले लावचे is to touch or spread. लायिल फुल्लांक those flowers which are touched by the pollen. सान मीडियो fruit buds, medio jellyo. Flowers which came in contact with pollen by the honeybee started growing small fruit buds. म्होवा मूसान केसर लायिल फुल्लांक सान मीडी जल्यो. मीडी जल्यो दोन फुल्लां आशिल्लीं. There were two flowers with fruit buds. Kesar is pollen. रवी दिवसा एप्पलांक पळयतो आशिल्लो. Ravi was watching the apples every day. रवी दिवसा एप्पलांक पळयतो आशिल्लो. एप्पल सावकाश व्हड जाल्लीं. Apples grew bigger slowly. Apple सावकाश व्हड जाल्लीं. Apples grew bigger slowly. एक दिवसू रवीन धुरचान पळयलें. एप्पल तांबडी जाल्लीं. एक दिवसू one day रवी धुरचान, धूर is distant, धुरचान from a distance, पळयलें saw, पळोवचें is to see. एप्पल तांबडी जाल्लीं. One day Ravi noticed from far that the apples had turned red. ताणे he एप्पलांक लागीं वचून पळयलें. He went and saw the apples up close. एप्पल पिकिलीं. पिकचें is to ripe. एप्पल पिकिलीं. Apples were ripe. रवी एप्पल काडून घेवन घरा गेलो. Ravi took the apples and went home. एप्पल काडून took the apples, घेवन घरा गेलो. He went home. रवीन एप्पल धुयलें. Ravi washed the apple. रवील अम्मान एप्पल तुकडी केले. Ravi's mother cut the apple into pieces. ಒಟ್ಟು लोकांनी everyone एप्पलाचे तुकडे खाल्ले. Everyone ate the pieces of apple. एप्पल भारी गोड आशिल्लें. Apple was very sweet. I repeat. रवीनं ॲपल धुईले, धुचे is to wash. रवील अम्मानं ॲपल तुकडे केले, तुकडो is a piece. तुकडे केले, cut into pieces. ಒಟ್ಟು लोकांनी ॲपलाचे तुकडे खाल्ले. ॲपल भारी गोड आशिल्लें. आणि आम्ही अनेक रुखाबद्दल पळोवया. राधाले घरांतू माड्डे रूख आसाची. राधाल घरांतू माड्डे रूख आसाची. There are coconut trees in Radha's house. Narlu is coconut. Narla sashi is a coconut sapling. नारळ रुक्का वैर जाताची. नारळ coconuts. Narlu singular coconut grow on the top of the tree. Rukka vairi jatachi. Ruku is a tree. Jhada was a plant. Ruku tree. Maddo name for coconut tree or it's a trunk of the palm tree. Maddo. Piddo is a palm or leaf of the coconut tree. Muddala also used to describe palm or leaf. Muddala or malla, palm leaf. Hindgi is a bunch of coconuts. Hindgi is a bunch of coconut. Poi is cover on the flowers of the coconut. Poi is a hard shell cover on the flowers of the coconut. Bondo is a tender coconut. Bondo, a tender coconut. I repeat. Ruku, Maddo, Piddo, Muddala, Hindgi, Poi, आणि बोंडो. रवी रुखावेर चढता. रवी climbs the tree. रवी रुखावैरी चढता. त्यांनी रुखावैरी चढणू नारळ काढताची. They remove the coconuts by climbing the tree. Koiti, Ravi has a curved axe called koiti. Madla hado is a palm leaf. Madla hado is a palm leaf. Madla hado or soge or muddala, they're all names for palm leaf. You can use palm leaves for making small articles by waving. Windche, weaving. Windche, weaving. Kaddi is a stick. Kaddi is a stick. If you collect many of them, you make a kunto. Sarni kunto, which is a broom. Madla kaddi, and collection of that is a bunch. Sarni kunto, which is a broom. Piddo or pidde mortar is a trunk of the palm leaf. Pidde mortar is a trunk of the palm leaf. Shiyale, the tender coconut. Shiyale, repeat. Shiyale, tender coconut. Shiyale udaka, tender coconut water. Shiyale udaka. Koiti, curved axe. Koiti, one you can see in the picture. It's curved axe. Bondo, tender coconut. Shiyale or bondo, tender coconut. Shaving it off, called tasche. Shiyale, tasche is to shave it off. Narlu, coconut. Sukkil narlu, the dry coconut. Sukkil narlu, dry coconut. Sorna, coconut shell. Sorna, the dry coconut shell. Sorna katto, the fibrous shell of the coconut. Sorna katto, fibrous shell of the coconut. Kurti is a hard shell of the coconut. Kurti is a hard shell of the coconut. I repeat, narlu, sukkil narlu, sorna, सोणा कप्तो आणि करटी. Grated coconut is called soy. Soy is grated coconut. Kanche is grating. Kanche is grating. And the device you use for kanche called kantale, which is a coconut grater. It's attached to advoli. Advoli, the device used to sit and cut vegetables, and the blade which you use for grating coconut is called kantale. So I repeat: soy, grated coconut; kanche, grating; kantale, coconut grater. आजी आम्ही झाड आणि रुखाबद्दल vocabulary शब्द शिकले आणि आम्ही मेळ्या. नमस्कार.